Hey Kathy, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke to Katie on the phone and I told her that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. And then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in some more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on your home page, which looks pretty good. I can tell that you guys spent some time or some money into this. And so it looks really easy to navigate. However, there is not a lot of content on here. And so Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage. I did a word counter search and you currently have 639 words. So we definitely want to add in some more content on here. And we also want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to be sending out their bots and they are going to crawl through the site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they are looking for. And in addition to having the appropriate amount of content, you want to make sure that your content is filled with the appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords so that we can get you ranked for all of the right things. And so over here, I've hopped onto Google. The keyword I will be using for today's video is orthodontist in Detroit. I know you guys are around 20 minutes away from Detroit, so this is a great keyword. It brings in around 150 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you would be doing really well for just one keyword. And so right beneath the search bar is where we may typically see some Google ads. There are none popping up for me at the moment, but Google ads are a really good way to build some brand recognition, get your name out there, particularly while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, if they are done incorrectly, they can definitely be quite a waste of money, but if they are done right, they are a great way to get things moving quickly. And so right beneath where the ads typically would be, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so the Google Map Pack is more important nowadays since so many people are searching for things off of their phones. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots to get on the first page, you need to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So think Yelp, Yellow Pages, or Yext. Those are all good examples of online directories that people use all the time and they trust them, and you want to be on more of those kind of directories than these 3 businesses are right here. And so now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This should definitely be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term return on investment. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. And so this is the first company page that pops up for this keyword. And so as we scroll through, you can see that they have quite a bit of content on here. I did a word counter search and they have 1,067 words. So they have a bit more content than you have, but we can still definitely beat them out with the amount of content. But in addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered and relevant backlinks. So a backlink is just a clickable text linking from one site to another. So it's basically like a shout out from one site to the next. And you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered and relevant sites. So for example, if a local dentist company were to give you a backlink from their website, that would be a really good way to bring some more power to your site. And so over here, I've hopped over to Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you guys ever try and bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey. It costs me around $350 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of good information. And so right here, I typed in your site, and it's telling me you guys have 111 backlinks from 39 different domains and are ranking organically for 420 keywords. So I just clicked on that so we can take a look and see which keywords those are. Generally, we want to have keywords that have a high buyer's intent, meaning when someone is searching for it, they are looking to purchase something, and we want to look out for location-specific keywords. And so right here, you guys are ranking pretty well for your own name, which makes sense, and pretty well for a couple of other keywords as well. But I think we can definitely get you rised in the ranks if we were to focus on some more generalized keywords like orthodontist in Detroit, orthodontist Detroit. Those kind of keywords are really good because if someone didn't know who you were right now, it would be harder for them to find you. And so now I want to go and do the same thing to your backlinks that I just did with your keywords. And so right now you guys have 111 backlinks. Your competitors probably have quite a few more, but we don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks. We want to beat them out with the quality as well. And so just the way that I'm going through yours, I would go through theirs and find the ones that have a high DR domain rating and try and snag the best ones for your site. So we can find these backlinks from all different competitors and then find some on our own as well. We want to outrank your competitors by at least 100% to make your spot at the top very solid. And so I think we can definitely get some more high quality traffic to your site if we were to incorporate the 3 things that we talked about in this video into your online marketing plan. And to go over what those were, number 1, we want some more quality educational content with the right buyer intent keywords that bring in a lot of traffic. Number 2, we want more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, we want more high-powered relevant backlinks. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.